Dear student, let us now find out the work done in moving a body over a rough horizontal surface. Right, let us consider this is a rough horizontal surface and we need to move this body of weight mg and normal reaction r. Right, so we apply a force P so that it moves to a certain distance, suppose S. Since it is moving in this direction, the force of friction is acting in this direction. Okay, now we know that when we are moving the body over the rough surface, a frictional force, which is an opposing force, is acting, which is opposing its motion. So due to which some work has to be done. And we also know that work done is given by force into displacement. Now force is here, applied force represented by P into S. Now let us find this P. Okay, we know that from this, if we write the balanced equation, R is equal to mg and P is equal to F, applied frictional force. So putting this value, this is equal to F into S. Also we know that F is equal to mu R into S, or equal to mu into mg into S. So this is the amount of work done required to move our body through a distance S over a rough horizontal surface. Now let us find the work done in moving a body up the rough inclined surface. So let us take here inclined surface. Let this is the body having weight mg acting downward, normal reaction r acting upward. This is angle theta, so this would also be angle theta. This component will be mg cos theta and this component is mg sin theta. Now since we are moving the body up the inclined plane, so the applied force is in upward direction and frictional force will act in the opposite direction, that is in the downward direction. Now applying the balanced equation, R is equal to mg cos theta and applied force P is equal to, these two are in the same direction, so added mg sin theta plus F, or this is mg sin theta plus mu r. Now that is equal to mg sin theta plus mu into mg cos theta. So mg taken common, mg, this is sin theta plus mu cos theta. Now this is applied force and work done, we know that that is given by force into the distance. Suppose the box reaches to this point having a distance S. So in that case work done is given by mg sin theta plus mu cos theta into S. So this is the amount of work done required to move a body over a rough inclined surface through a distance S.